Simple past tense quiz. 10 questions. Can you score 10 out of 10? Let's see. So please read each sentence and the 4 options carefully. Pause the video for each question before the answer is shown on the next slide, and make sure to write down your score as you go. First question. She to the park yesterday. Go, went, goes, going. She went to the park yesterday. The past simple form of the verb to go is went, not goed. Next question. They, a movie last night. Watch, watched, watches, watching. They watched a movie last night. All the regular verbs, they form a simple past tense by adding ed at the end. Watch is a regular verb. So pay attention to the pronunciation though. Sometimes ed at the end it is pronounced t, like here, watched. Next question. My keys this morning. Lose, lost, loses, losing. I lost my keys this morning. Lose is an irregular verb. The past simple form of lose is lost, and it is used for completed past actions. Next question. He not attend the meeting. Did, does, do, was. He did not attend the meeting. Negative simple past uses did not or the short form didn't, plus the base form of the verb. And good news is it is used for all the subjects. Next question. You finish your homework. Did, do, does, were. Did you finish your homework? Simple past questions, they always start with did plus subject plus base verb. And it is regardless of the subject. It means for all the subjects, that's the same. So one pronunciation tip for did you can pronounce it as did you. Next question. We dinner at 7 p.m. yesterday. Have, has, had, having. We had dinner at 7 p.m. yesterday. Why? Because have is an irregular verb, and the past simple form of have is had for all the subjects. Next question. The train late this morning. Was, were, is, be. The train was late this morning. Why? Because the train, it equals to it, which is a third person singular pronoun. So the past tense of the verb to be is was, not were. So we say it was, I was, you were, it was, she was, he was, we were, and they were. Next question. She to Paris last summer. Go, went, gone, goes. She went to Paris last summer. Went is the simple past form of go, and gone is the past participle or PP, which is used with have or has, not alone. For example, we use it in present perfect or past perfect. Next question. I didn't. The answer. Know, knew, knows, knowing. The answer is I didn't know the answer, because after didn't or after did in general, the verb always returns to its base form. So never the past form knew. And the final question. Let's go for the final boss. They at a party until midnight. Stay, stayed, stays, staying. The answer is they stayed at a party until midnight, because stay is a regular verb. Regular verb plus ed for the simple past tense. Until midnight also signals and shows a completed past action. So the quiz is over. I want you to know how many questions did you get right. So please drop your score and answers out of 10 in the comments below. And if you got 10 out of 10, you should comment Grammar Pro or Grammar OG like an original gangster. So let's see how many nail it. And please subscribe to the channel to support me for more quizzes like this. Like the video if you haven't already, and we will have new grammar challenges every week and possibly tomorrow every day. So if you want daily grammar quizzes, please just let me know in the comment section below. English 1-to-1 signing out. See you on our next video.